Hi, good morning everyone. I'm back into my channel. Hope you enjoy watching my videos. And of course, andito ako ngayon para introduce you our food for today. This is a banana, heart of banana. But this kind of heart of banana, not all kinds of banana heart can eat. This is called banana heart from Sabah. Sabah only can eat, mommy, right? Yung saging lang ng heart lang, I don't know how they call this. In Ilocano is sabunganay, guys. Itong sabunganay, galing lang ito sa banana tree. But there is a specific tree, banana tree, that you can use. Parang saba only, yung banana Q lang. Hindi yung guyod. Hindi pwede yun. So this one is a banana tree. We have 2 and 3. In fairness, I'll show you how to do this. I'm planning to cook this one. This kind of dish you can also use with fish soup. With this one, parang how to say that? Parang pork nilaga. But this one can also use with fish. Bangus daw, nilaga with this. I don't know that, but I'll try to cook that. I'll check that in YouTube. Kasi I only know how to cook fried egg from the beginning nung bata ako. So this is a Filipino food. So this is the way to remove and to clean this kind of vegetables. Just let this out of the banana. Oh. And this one, up to you what's the use of this, but this normally we feed this one in the with fish. We're going to feed this dun sa may fish sa fish pan, sa backyard plant. Right here, I'm sitting right at the back of the pool. Yung pool namin noon, naging fish pan na. This one, remove the whole flowers, remove the one, this hard like cotton buds. Look like a cotton buds, guys. There you go. I'm gonna show you. Ganyan ang tsura niyan. How to do that? Yeah, it's like a cotton buds, right? But this one you cannot eat. This one, this is a really hard one. So everything. Hi, good morning, Alan Fernandez. Thank you for watching, guys, and good day and good health. Be strong all the time and be positive all the time. There you go. And remove the hard objects in the middle of the banana, heart of banana. There you go. Do this one by one. Medyo matrabaho nga lang, but this is an organic one. So you can also use this one. I asked my mom, pwede daw maging adobo, pork with this, or steamed chicken, parang Chinese style. But make sure we normally this one, we normally boil this first. And anong tawag dun? Malikmat ang Tagalog namin. Pusun. Guys, pasensya kayo, narik ang Tagalog. So, we boil this one and squeeze it so that the bitterness of that one can remove. Pero, I saw some videos na parang they just put straight with the food. So, hindi ko lang alam. I haven't tried that one. So, normally, kinakain ko na ito nung bata ako. Pero, nung tumanda na ako, at alam nyo na, sosyalera, kunwari, because we live on top of the mountain, guys. So, dun na ako sa town, parang city na ngayon. So, alam nyo na, I think, not only me, parang ayoko nang bumalik ng baryo noon. Kasi, in this area, all muddy talaga. So, before we go in the city, we need to carry all our bags, our shoes, kasi yung mud on the road, talagang punong-puno ng putik, tapos water, because I've told you, as I mentioned, we're on top of the mountain. Mountainous girls, I'm an organic girl, right? Lady na lang or woman, it's fine. Yun lang. Kaya, ito ang ulam mamayang hapon, probably, but I'm preparing kasi I have only my mom and my dad. Tapos, dumating pa ang sister ko. She brought so many food. So, we still have food from the fridge. Yung niluto kong nilaga ba yun? Parang nilaga na hindi mo maintindihan. It's casserole, guys. So, anyway, I enjoyed eating that one. parang ayoko nang magluto kasi the fridge is full of food at the moment. Hindi naman sayang, di ba? We're Pinoy, we're trying to eat whatever we have para naman hindi sayang. Gold din naman ang pinaghirapan yung gold na yun, di ba? So, this is the way to remove all these things. Pero pagka malapit ka na sa heart niya, anyway, I'm going to show you only how to do this one. I'm not going to, I think I'm going to open one more. Yung front lang para hindi naman masira yung the first base of that thing. Para nga maperdi, guys. Sayang mo't nung maperdi. Sa bagay, libre, guys. Those who really want to come and visit me here or come and here neighborhoods, just ask me para naman kuha tayo ng heart of banana. We are full of hearts, guys. Mapagmahal kasi kami, kaya marami kaming heart of bananas. Yes, di ba, mama? Yan, pati my mom ko umingiti-ngitingan. So I'm going to open one of this one para hindi masira, guys. Kasi we can keep this one for another few days para naman ito naglulus na kasi siya. Once it's a bit longer, naglulus yung front niya. So para hindi masayang, tanggalin ko na lang. Kasi inopen ko na yung isa kahapon. It's open one. I supposed to vlog this one for cleaning pero ang mom ko tinago niya. Sabi niya, bakit ang dami dito? Why, apay nakadado nga wara dito ruwar. Kunana. I mean, I have a call from the site. I'm going there later. Nakahanda na nga ako eh. I'm going to visit the site, yung project natin, para hopefully matatapos na ang project natin at pwede na tayong magdayang-dayang, guys. Hopefully, you can visit me and see the place para naman I need your suggestion for more improvement para naman masaya si Lola at masaya tayong pumunta doon, di ba? So, sana nga na matatapos na this year. And of course, opening by next year. Sana nga naman, guys, malpasin, di pa paramid tayo. Tapno malpasin, tapno dapagdayang-dayangan tayo sa lugar na yon. So, keep in touch, guys, for watching my videos. Kasi kung sakaling matapos na, okay na. Pero yung villa, hindi pa matahay, Mr. Narding Echeverre. Thank you for watching too. And there you go. Hindi ko natatapusin ito. Once it's finished in the middle of one, the outcome is this one. This one, heart of the banana. And this is the finished product, guys. Ito na ang maging gulay, guys. This is an organic food. Look at that. I think they have also Chinese style. But they dried it. They talagang dry na dry ito. And soak it with water. Steam with chicken. You marinate the chicken with soy sauce, sugar, salt, oyster sauce, ano pa? Kahit anong style ng Chinese soup. And then the dried one like this, they just mix it and steam it. It's really yummy, guys. So, talagang masarap nga din naman ang steamed chicken. But in Philippines, we eat fresh kasi we have so many hearts sa likod. And even the whole house is full of hearts, guys. Mapagmahal ang mga taong Echeverre. Of course, we are Echeverre family, guys. So, we have so many hearts of banana. There you go, tignan nyo naman. My dad harvested this one and her PA. Kasi ngayon naman, ang type ng dad ko, yung pinakuluhan lang. Just boil this one, squeeze it, and actually this for adobo. And put some of this one, chili, and calamansi, guys. These are all the ingredients for simple food. Walang manteka, walang ano pa. But this one, you need to mix with a little bit of anchovy sauce. Anchovy sauce, guys. Kasi, sarap buhay. Hi, Bien Lim. How are you? Still here in Philippines. Still surviving, guys. Ganito ang buhay ng Pilipinas. Pero it's masaya, guys. You don't have a boss. You're the boss yourself, guys. Ang paghanap buhay sa abroad or overseas, maganda. If you're talking about money, yeah, it's good. Pero kung may konting kita na, konting ipon na, I think it's okay para hindi na forever na andiyan tayo sa ibang bansa. Kasi, hello, good morning, Dada, Tata, Miss Vivian Lim, how are you? And then, of course, shout out to you and to your family out there. Good health and be healthy all the time. And of course, be positive all the time. That's my goal for today. All the time, be positive. I know a lot of things we really need this, but still keep on trying. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng taong nagpapatayo, gumagawa ng resort, gumagawa ng bahay, is mayaman. We still keep trying and kicking whatever we have. Yes, they're all okay here back in my place, all in my neighborhoods. They all good health, good condition. They're happy in and out the car up there, the mountain. Social nga dito sa probinsya, sa bundok. They have meron pa silang sasakyan na Hilux, brand new, 2025. Ano pa yung sasakyan na Nissan, Ferrari. Oh my God, I cannot afford those. Lolax lang ako. Lolax, yung low profile lang tayo. Kasi mahirap na. Lolax, ginawa kong Lolax yung car ko. That is SUV, old 2000. I think that's already from the other 2009 pa yata. Baka wala pa, baka 2002 pa pala yun. So, I called that thing Lolax because my dad has Hilux. So, yung Hilux niya, naging Lolax naman yung akin. So, yun. Ang tawag ko, Lolax is low profile tayo lang, guys. Para naman masaya ang lola. This kind of vegetable you can use. People from other part of Manila, they use this. Ano man hindi kare-kare. Kare-kare, they use this as in kare-kare, guys. But Ilocano people, I think they Ilocano people don't eat kare-kare. We eat kare-kare, but that's not our main dish. That's not our main dish. Ang main dish ng Ilocano is pinakbet, dinengdeng, ano pa? Prito, those the Pilico Ilocano dinardaraan, ano pa, those pinapaitan, mga ganun ang mga simple food ng Ilocano people. I don't know, no offend guys, kasi Ilocano ako, pero nagijetihan ko nga una ang mga nilutluto, kasi sa dutak nga naiyanak sa ison sa ti punishment ko, apo yun nagluto. My favorite thing is cooking, especially Chinese food, English food, spicy food, of course. There you go. That's my dish in the future. Spicy item. Whatever, anong klaseng spicy food, please call me. I'm good on that. Spicy, medium, rare, whatever there. Number 1 ako dyan. So, thank you. Hope to see you guys. And this is the heart of the banana. I've been saying this before I forget, before I cook this one. We boiled it. We have to cut this into 4. You can also dice it or shred it, whatever your style here, because ito is matamis, guys. Ang sarap nito ano. But this time, this few years, I didn't eat this one kasi tamad akong how to do this to agimuri. Pero this time, wala naman akong magawa. Everyday ako dito, no work, nothing. So, ito ang trabaho ni Lola ngayon. And some messages here. Wow, sabunganay ang dahon. Yes. O sabunganay, dahon daw ng saluyot. Mami, we have saluyot in the garden? Adda daw, meron daw kaming saluyot. So, what's the use of saluyot? This one. Ilaok kanubulong saluyot bagoong laya. Anya ilaok mo ngay? With sibuyas pa. Yun daw ang laok ng ng ulam na to. So this all organics, all from the garden. Dilis daw kung gusto. It's a very simple life, guys. Love Philippines, guys. Hope you come back and see Philippines, right? So, ito lang masasabi ko ngayon. Every time I vlog, ito lang ang muna ang masasabi ko. Kasi, I'm not going to cook this one. I'm going to prepare this one for maybe tonight. For, I don't know what to cook. Because we have leftover. Walang kumain ng niluto ko kahapon. Kasi we have so many food yesterday. Kaya doon sa refrigerator. Yung niluto kong nilaga kahapon. Almost nilaga. It's a casserole, guys. Kasi, ang nilaga with soup, right? But, not soup, but sticky soup because of the taro. But this time, I'm going to prepare this one for tonight and just boil. Ang gusto ng dad ko is simple life. Is just boil with bagoong daw. Anchovy sauce with, of course, my favorite one. Ito. Yeah, kaya tayo mabango everyday. And of course, we are full of hearts to be saying. Full of hearts. So, okay, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching and hopefully you can visit my place and our place and of course the people of Diliverden, Nueva Vizcaya and all over the Philippines and all over the world. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you soon. I love you all and hope you also follow, comment, like, and share everyone. Thank you for watching. God bless and see you all. Love you.